video, I'm going to be quickly showing you Miro and how you can use this absolutely incredible software for yourself. Okay. So, Miro is basically, as it says, a visual workspace for innovation. So, Miro allows you to create these different charts, it allows you to create these different types of boards. Okay. And in those boards, you can use different elements like shapes, sticky notes, and all these other things to create a good workspace. And you can also use different boards like Kanban boards and all. And the best part about this is that you can make a whole funnel, a sales flow, and like a whole lot of other things to work with. So I would definitely urge users out there to use this software because it's absolutely incredible to get a good idea of this. And it has a lot of integrations to work with as well. So definitely go ahead with this. And I'm also going to discuss the pricings. Now, Miro also gives you things like product management, engineering. It's for IT teams, UX and design, consultation, and agencies. And there's a lot of great technical diagramming, whiteboarding, wireframing, mind mapping, retrospectives, scale product planning, and process mapping.